one guy, the guy's pinned down right there, right?
Right.
Yeah, this guy's just camping this spot.
We just basically need to keep them from coming this way so they can go that way and get less.
Yeah, it looks like we're actually moving up over there.
We're just trying to keep them so they don't push back into their spawn.
I think I see anything. Instant action.
See anybody over there?
Hey, I heard senior.
Right there.
All the MP5 stations.
Oh yeah, we do. Sorry. Yeah. My guy's in there. You wanna go in there? Alright, you wanna go in there? Yeah. Jeff's got a friendly coming to the building. We're right outside your building, but they're making a push beach side. Load up. They're coming this way, Jim.
My mag jammed. The one guy was just standing there, and I was shooting him. He was shooting the other guy, and he was just standing there.
Well, stop. Or at the top of the hill, they're spawning.
I'm afraid it's not viable to put that. Only because there's all those people spawning right there.
No, you can't turn on their buildings, there's rattlesnakes down there. You're gonna have to point out the general direction you have to shoot at.
He's the ACU guy.
Okay, yeah, we help. Bruce is at him.
Which?
Checking for Leslie.
No, Bruce says he checked his ID. It's a Chinaman. It says Leslie Chow.
Okay.
Damn it. What'd you say?
That's to say Leslie N be the Chinaman.
I know. You said something now different. Bruce didn't copy.
guys go, don't cross that bush.
We're supposed to have some instant action. Whoa, what the hell? Watch the sniper where I think he's like 3 buildings down behind a tree.
Yeah, the guy in the bush laying down. There's a guy behind the tree.
Well, there's the.
I know, I saw BB
There's
almost
3 of
come
them.
over here.
Right there. There's one right there in that corner.
1, 2,
right
and
there
1
by
in the
that
back.
thing, and 1 in the back. There's 3 of them all. Right over there. See?
Yeah. Long guns. Hey, Senior, can you get over here? Oh, he's instant actioning. What?
Down that way so I can keep a right over there. See what the hell's going on.
Oh, somebody's shooting right down the wall over here.
Did Senior go somewhere?
Yeah. I see feet movement in the kitty corner.
Diagonal.
Hey, get some bodies in there. They're going to push. They're going to push forward.
They're everywhere right now.
Get some bodies in there. Get in there. The guys are going to push. Some of you guys get in that building.
All right, well, we need the crossfire.
You're good. You're good. Ready? Ready?
Hey, crossing!
Go!
Hey, who wants that? Right now, right now! Move out, move out! Not you guys. You guys.
Nade!
That's a beautiful nade.
Chow, you guys, your position is bad. You guys should try to make
That's exactly what we're trying to do. We couldn't move left or right. We're just stuck. We got that. Huh? We're taking them out in that one building. And they finally realized what we were.
Yeah, they just grenaded that room as well as that.
Fuck that hurt. Act 15 dudes just got hit by a grenade.
Yeah, I was one of them. Like 5 seconds after I went in the building.
Yeah.
And here comes Jeff, and here comes JR, and Senior. Well, shit. Huh?
Some water and something to eat, man.
Game will probably be up in half an hour or so.
Yeah, I saw the guy that got you.
I got a pistol mag.
Huh?
Hey, JR, did you keep that other pistol mag?
The little pin things that just sort of like, they're just really, yeah, you safety tighteners, but you lost them how many times?
Once.
I'm not worried. It's just for,
Yeah, it holds, keeps the battery from going too far forward. Why, you happy?
You better be happy. I'm gonna take it from you.
the thing too, the rate of fire is crazy. Just on that initial put, I went through 5 mags. I was like, oh my god.
That was pretty good. We did a good push. We went quite a ways. Look, they're still, look, they're
Oh
trying.
man, they took it out. I saw you laying around on the ground over there.
Get my foxhole on.
Pretty good.
You having fun? Kind of. This is our room.
Oh, I mean, it's too many people.
Oh, there's way too many people.
Well, that's why there's a four-way.
Yeah. Usually
Five.
it's just 2 teams. And it's just a clusterfuck right now because everyone's doing the same thing. Usually there's like 2 or 3 different kinds of objectives. Let's focus person here, blow that one up, or you know, or go capture 3 buildings type of thing.
Hold up.
You do that so naturally, JR.
Huh?
You do that so naturally.
Got about this.
You're going... Yeah, you're going like that.
I learned from Bruce.
I'll be right there.
Over right there.
Mm.
The water breathe? You get stuck
You
on
want to suck?
Ah.
Hey, it's so floppy. How thirsty are you? Here, please.
You find the bag you lost or no?
Still missing one, I think.
When you were crawling around, or
No, I found him.
You found all of them? Right here?
shoot anyone yet?
Oh, a bunch of people. I don't know if I fucking hit them. They don't seem to put the fucking hand up.
Keep shooting.
Yeah, that's
I
a
can
general
walk
rule.
I don't want to give them the satisfaction that they shot me.
Well, these guys kept shooting fucking these ricochets through that thing last time.
Yeah.
I was like, well,
Usually ricochets don't count.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's hard to tell what it does. So you found Leslie, but it wasn't Leslie?
yeah. It says Leslie Chow on
They
it.
all say Leslie.
Yeah.
It wasn't a Chinaman, it was like
Mm.
Zipper head. You're just standing in the corner looking for the guy.
The guy just standing against the corner.
Alright, so what's the plan? We're just gonna...
Where's CJ? He's over there in that corner still, huh?
Yeah.
Beachside?
CJ, you still on beachside? He's probably firing.
Go up, you're shooting right there.
Where?
Look, somebody already did. They were riding it down the street. Getting the shit shot out of them.
Last game.
What's going on over there, Jeff? Yeah, that's where we did. Let's go push. Maybe we should push up there again.
Let's go.
Just push forward again like we did. Reload one more mag.
I don't know when they're full. I try to count, but
It's a whole 120, 30K.
no, I think they. That's what I do. I count to 30 presses.
Go. Get hard.
Getting hard, let's go.
You okay there, buddy? Should have grabbed a bottle of water.
Use your system across the street. Not 200 yards. My M14 could shoot that far.
Your building's down. The people across. Where are you talking about?
Oh, that one.
Oh, I'm looking that way. Where do you want to go? That kid's point, we just had all our guys.
That dude's posted on the tree.
Let's go over here where the wind's blowing in our face.
Bruce.
Yeah, it's past the tree. Just looking.
Oh, going sideways.
Where?
I saw a head. I don't know if it's a ref or someone moving toward the beach.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, it's a guy. It's a player.
he's ducking down.
It's a player. Flank him. Get out on the open.
I'm not reaching that.
Woo!
Oh, they're flying.
Fire for you. Or are they?
Out.
Just one guy up there.
Yep.
There's a couple more. Cover him! Cover him! No! No!
Is that guy moving out or setting up shop?
Come on. Get me through the guy.
Where's he at? So they're in this building, but I can't get up into this. I don't know if this entrance goes in.
Is there a dude right? Is there anybody in this building on the left?
Here, I haven't seen anyone. But they can't get in because they're behind the corner.
Yeah, but I was there.
But if you feel like a monkey, the entrance is right here. You have to, woo!
You have to jump over it?
Yeah.
Run to the building. Hey, watch the side of the building now.
I haven't seen anyone in this, but they can't get in because it's behind the corner. And I don't know if this entrance right here, the door, goes in the building.
It doesn't.
It doesn't?
I don't think so.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Corner.
I don't think I can shoot that far.
They're getting peppered from the corner.
Go, 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 go. Keep an eye there, Mark. Keep an eye. More than 25 feet. The guy at the far side of the building was. I wasn't shooting him. I took to the door. I mean, no problem, not a problem, but
I mean, he came out with his muzzle in his head, so I mean.
Well, if you're getting that close, I need you guys to start switching over to pistols because I can't see that.
Okay,
All
no
I
problem.
can see is a guy out the window and you're
Well,
like
there's
this.
some confusion about what part of the building's in play too. 'Cause
The whole building it's just, we can't let people enter this side because there's no stairs right now. So eventually I think we'll get stairs built and this will go on this side. But you can't go second floor. There's a door down at that end of the green. They can come in that way.
Oh, I see.
And there's spawn just right up the hill too. It's not that far.
So we don't have the
yeah,
advantage
it's two
entering.
buildings up though.
It's hard. You
It'd
guys
be
have
nice
to
to keep this so to prevent them coming down.
If you guys get a big enough force, you can do it because I saw it just done 20, 30 minutes ago.
Well, we used to have it. We
Yeah.
used to have this building. I was confused. They're like, it's out of play. I'm like, they're taking fire. I'm like, well, what's going on? It was in play. We had it, and I was confused.
I guess.
And the grenade's over there.
Pointing AGs at each other and shooting at close range. You didn't do anything wrong with the pistol. It's just you're pointing it at me and I don't have a gun.
That's perfect. And I threw a grenade at it right next to the dude. I walk around the corner, he's like, "Ooh, surrender."
Oh, it didn't go off?
There's a guy in the building, up the hill or whatever. If you want to get the grenade,
we
I have to
can
kill
take
him.
this building, we just can't go in this
Hey guys, I want you guys to push back initially.
Did you get the grenade already, Bruce? Or no?
Oh, I left it over there.
Is it inside?
It's distance still. It's distance still? Yeah.
It didn't go boom.
I thought it was so. Okay. I'll go grab it. Is it inside the building?
No, it's right there next to the building.
Huh? I'll go grab it. I'll go look for it.
No, orange one.
What do you see, Mark?
Nothing. This guy's shooting at something. I think more at spawn.
Kind of cornered. We got the guy. There was only one guy in this building.
Right.
And he was bitching. He was shooting the ref, and I was shooting him, and he was yelling at me because I was too close to the AG. I'm like, I'm shooting through the door to the far side of the building, not the guy that's too close.
Right.
And then the guy was like, he's telling the ref, he's like, you need to put an orange vest on. He's like, excuse me. He's like,
Well,
oh,
bullshit,
in the heat
dude.
of blah, blah, blah. He's like, well, you know what? You guys got it.
Well, yeah, I heard the argument as far as well, the problem is you pointing a gun at me and I don't have a gun.
Well, the person I was shooting at was at the far side of the building. So he was like 60 feet away. Through the door, but all he saw was me pointing and shooting at a guy, and there was a window with like 10 feet, and I didn't see him because of the angle, and I was like, I'm not shooting him. I didn't know he was there.
Right.
He's like, oh, okay. But you guys, it's from my angle, I can't tell. But I mean, it's good to know that they're actually keeping an eye on that stuff. Usually they're just like,
Get out.
well, they're just like, stop it, guys.
Get out of the way.
That's cool.
Yes. It seems we're making a good push this way.
That's good.
Nice.
He told us just to pull back, around the corner, reset, and then we can go
I
forward.
thought I heard it pop too. Oh, I think I didn't pick up the pin.
How does it go now? It's different.
Well, it's not going to blow up now, because you pull it apart. Because even if it does pop, if it's not sealed, then it's like a CO2 canister. That one was kind of loose, so I don't know if you actually punctured the CO2, in which case it'll just sit there forever.
I landed it right next to the guy, man. It was great.
Had only it gone
All
off.
right.
Yeah, it did. It's going on. You haven't had any gas?
I was over there in the middle
He
of the
was
fucking
hectic,
field.
dude.
No point. You don't have a pin. How are you going to put it back in?
Just put it together and put it in my dump pouch. Make sure it doesn't fall apart.
Oh, was it?
Pistol dead.
I was like, you know,
Red flag the
Guys,
pistol.
the building's in play. We just can't go in this entrance here.
Gunshots don't count here.
Because there's no stairs, apparently.
They do it
But they have
sometimes.
an entrance on their side,
Hey,
so be careful.
in Black Hawk Down it didn't count. He's still alive. Went back to get the gun.
I got that dude in my hand
They're right there, and that's...
Well, I got that dude with a grenade and he didn't get out. So.
That didn't pop.
He doesn't want us
He was
to.
going right at me. I was like, I
Can we
can't
not
go
take the approach
backwards.
on the left?
Yeah, you can go on the left.
Because you gotta like go over something, I think, right?
I'm just going to take a look.
Sorry. That's the nature of the beast, unfortunately. I don't want it to fall apart, man.
There's another building up the hill. There's a dude in the hall, in the doorway.
You see him?
Oops, sorry. There goes
It's
Santa.
just like a giant fucking stalemate, though.
Yeah, it gets really brutal when it's four-way.
Yeah.
That and when there's a lot of people. Yeah. Four-way and there's a lot of people. It's just it's a giant ass rape. At least we're in the corner here. We're not over there where we're getting it from both sides.
Building's clear.
Well, get in
Well, we
the,
can't go in this side, though.
and this side's hot, right?
Yeah. The only entrance is on their side.
I don't know if that leads in. If we can jump in there.
You can't enter from that side
They have an entrance on that side.
because there's no stairs.
So it's like a safety machine. What's he pointing at? want to hop up here.
Guys, want to move up?
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
8 minutes left?
Yeah.
Well, see that building up the hill? It's definitely.
Right, but they can't shoot out really. So I'm going to come in here.
See anything at all?
What?
Excuse me.
Nothing at the moment.
I don't see anybody at the tree line.
I'll take out my pistol in case someone.
Guys, move up!
Yeah. They're trying to make a push on this side. I'm just trying to make sure if they push, we don't get overrun and, you know, have no one left back here to do shit.
Move this back! Everybody move!
Oh, I think Bruce went inside the building.
Okay, so our guys are in the building now, apparently. For now. I gotta take a fat piss too. I need to take a piss since we started.
Just go down the leg, dude.
You go across it?
Nobody in there, Jared? They got shot out though.
Okay. We're in this building, huh?
We were.
Timmy? Okay, good.
Yeah, this is us.
Got one.
Bunch more.
Is that you? Yeah, no, we can't.
You guys?
That was one over.
We got 8 minutes. There's a couple guys in that building. I think there's kitty corner. They're not moving. Yeah, just hold that thing down if you can.
Okay, we got 2 in here. Game. Oh, 3 minutes. Game.
Game. Game over. Game over.
Jeff.
Can I help you back at the truck?
Jeff. Jeff.
Jeff, game.
Game. Game.
Game over.
Oh, we shoot up the mag?
Empty the mag. Oh, yeah. I'm like, what the hell was that?